Good evening, everyone. Welcome back at Tom Yam Lechon Show. Hit the like button, comment down below, and please share our live and or our channel. Join patreon.com splash Tom Yam Lechon. Okay, let's get started. Let's may welcome my guest. Hello po. Good evening. Good morning. How are you?
Hello.
How are
Good
you?
evening. I'm fine.
Introduce yourself.
Okay lang Tagalog kasi hindi ka
Okay, go.
okay lang ito.
Pakilala ka, te. Introduce yourself.
Ako po si Jackie Balondo from Samar. But
Ate pa, can you loud your voice, please? Speak louder because they won't hear you. Ah, pa, ano po ng boses mo?
sorry.
Palakas po.
Ako po si Jackie Balondo from Samar.
How old are you, ate?
Um, I'm 30 plus.
35, 36,
37, yeah.
37. How many child do you have?
Um, so, 5.
Different father?
Yes.
Different father. How many father?
Only one.
Sabi ko iba,
Hindi, isa
different.
lang. Isa lang.
Different, sabi mo yes. Sinabi ko iba father, sabi mo yes. Okay.
Isa
So, one
lang.
father.
Sorry.
Same father.
Same father.
Okay. Mm. Are you guys still together with the baby father? Magkasama pa kayo
So,
ng tatay ng mga anak mo?
1 year.
Break up, separated
Yes.
with the father of your child. How old is your first child, your firstborn?
Um,
Yung panganay mo, ate.
22 na. 22.
And the youngest, yung pinaka bunso,
5 years old.
5-year-old
Girl.
girl. Mm. How long you been here at Angeles City?
Been around 25 years.
Here at Angeles City for 25 years?
Yes.
How old are you when you came here?
5 years old in
No, the time you came here. How old are you when you
yes.
came here? Start coming
16,
16-year-old.
17, yeah.
Did you work here at 16-year-old?
Uh, no.
No.
I'm working story.
Sar store like that
Yes.
in Angeles.
Yes, Pampanga.
Mm. How old are you? Did you work in a bar before?
I'm work before sila.
Don't say the
Twi-
name of the bar, huh?
uh, 1 year.
In the bar.
Yeah,
How old are you when you work in the bar?
before 22.
22, and you only work for 1 year.
Yeah.
Did you find any boyfriend in the bar? For boyfriend? Foreigner?
Half.
Half foreigner, half
Yes,
Filipino.
half
Oo.
foreigner.
Half Apam. Pilam, like that.
Yes.
Did you meet him in the bar?
Yeah.
Did you guys live together? Ha? Nag-stay kayo together?
Now, yeah. Yes.
What do you mean now? Ngayon?
Oo, ngayon. Mag-boyfriend pa lang kami. So, mag-1 year na kami mag-boyfriend ngayon.
Hindi, yung na-meet mo dati na Pilam, magjowa kayo, di ba? He met you guys become boyfriend, girlfriend, the Pilam guy. And then, did you guys live together? Kayo pa rin ba ng Pilam na yan until now?
Yes.
So, how long you guys been knowing each other?
Before?
Until
Or
now?
now?
All. Because
All,
you still with him, right?
yeah.
Magkasama pa kayo, di ba?
Mm.
Okay, how long? How many years?
1 year.
You said you work at the bar at age of 22 for 1 year. And you met him in the bar.
Yeah, but
When did you meet him? Back when you were 22, that was a decade ago, right?
outside.
Outside the bar. Okay,
Yeah.
I'm asking you, so you didn't meet him inside the
But
bar?
yeah, But,
Hindi mo siya na-meet sa bar, sa loob ng bar.
hindi, na-meet ko siya sa bar, but
Yung,
huminto akong magtrabaho.
okay. She
So,
said, she
hindi ko
met
masyado
him,
naintindihan yung English.
she met him in a bar, and then she stopped working in the bar. She only worked there for 1 year. And how did you give your contact to him? Binigay mo yung contact mo sa kanya?
Ngayon, oo.
Before.
Yes,
When you were
Facebook.
Facebook name at age of 22. Kasi 22 ka nagtrabaho sa bar, di ba? I don't really.
22.
Sabi mo
Sorry.
kanina,
Oo.
oh my God. Okay, okay.
Sorry.
Okay, 22 ka nang trabaho sa bar.
Mm-mm.
And you worked there for 1 year. And in 1 year that you were working in the bar, you met this Pilam guy in there. Inside the bar. Na-meet mo siya sa bar
Oo,
mismo.
sandali lang.
Oo. Okay.
Bumalik siya.
And then he came back. And then, you stopped working in the bar.
Yeah.
And after you stopped working in the bar, did you find a Filipino guy? Who's the father of your child? What's his
Filipino.
Oh, okay. How old are you when you got your baby? How old are you?
May
Nung nagkaanak ka?
17.
17 ka po nagkaanak. You got your first child at age of 17.
Yes.
And then you're working that time in a bar and you still together with your baby father.
Yeah.
Kayo pa nun hanggang saan magkaroon kayo ng 5 kids.
Yes.
Mm.
Sorry.
Hindi, okay lang. That's life. It's okay lang po. Tapos, tinatanong ko, did you give your contact to that Pilam guy? Yung Facebook name mo, binigay mo doon sa Pilam.
Yes.
Tapos, he messaged you.
Yeah.
And now, he is your boyfriend.
Yes.
For 1 year.
Yes.
When he messaged you, where was you that time? Here at Angeles?
Yeah.
Or in province?
No, Angeles.
Angeles.
Yeah.
Where is your child? In province or Angeles?
Angeles.
They are here.
Yes.
Okay. And he messaged you on Facebook.
Yeah.
When he messaged you, is he in other country or here at Philippines?
Me and Philippines is
In other country.
Yeah.
And then he came here. He met you. When
Yes.
when did you meet him again? What year? Last year?
Last year.
You met him
Yeah.
again.
Yeah.
How old is this guy?
Now he's 49.
49.
Yeah.
He's your boyfriend.
Yes.
Did he court you? Did he ask you wanna be my girlfriend?
Yeah.
Tinanong ka niya kung pwede ka maging jowa.
Yes.
Okay. I just want to make sure so you can na tinanong kanya na jowa kayo. And now, where he at right now?
Now, it's okay.
Asan siya ngayon? Where he at right now?
Nandyan.
Nandyan saan? So, tabi-tabi?
So, binubantayan ako. Joke.
He's in outside?
No, and you know, Margarita.
Margarita, it's close. You gotta be kidding me.
My friend.
Ano yun, te? Ano? She said that her boyfriend was looking after her. Look after her what she doing. Sabi mo, binabantayan ka. But, I'm asking you right now, where is your boyfriend? You said in Margarita. Margarita is close.
Yeah, I know, in outside there.
Outside Margarita?
Yeah. You know, there in...
Outside the Margarita, where's the trike at?
Yeah. And, you know, Margarita and outside there.
Oo nga po, yung sa mga nakatrike, nakaparking.
Yeah.
What is he doing there?
Is he with me?
He with you there?
Yeah.
So why you didn't wait you outside?
Not in there.
Kaya nga, ba't di ka na lang inantay dyan?
Because hindi niya alam na nandito ako.
He don't know that you are here. Yeah. But he know you doing freelancing. Pero alam niya, nagpe-freelance ka?
Maybe,
Maybe you don't
yeah.
know. So why you still doing freelance if you have a boyfriend? Ba't ka pa nagpe-freelance? May jowa ka na pala.
Kasi kulang pa.
It's not enough for you? What he give you?
Um,
Loka-loka.
Ganun talaga. Kailangan.
Ano, kasi may
Diba?
anak ka. Yeah, that's life.
Tama.
She said
Hindi
the
man lahat
boyfriend.
kasi sisuportahan niya.
Pero
Kung
he give you allowance, right?
yeah.
Yung totoo,
Oo.
he give you allowance like you're thinking. He gave
Mm.
you or no?
Oo. Kunti, okay lang.
Small
Tamang-tama
amount.
lang.
But for you, it's not enough.
Sa in love.
You're in love.
Yun lang.
And you guys in love each other. If you guys in love
Yeah,
each other, you are not gonna do freelancing and spreading your to the other foreigner. My God. Kung in love kayo,
talaga pag na-in love,
Kaya nga.
gagawin mo lahat
To,
di
Diyos
ba?
ko. Oh yeah, we know when we're in love, we
Ikaw.
gonna do everything. You're not gonna ask me because you will like my question. She's asking me if I'm in love. Yeah, I'm in love. My God, I'm not gonna do stupid shit. I'm not gonna spread my legs to the other foreigner. Because I'm
Yeah.
loyal. Oh, see? Even I need money, I'll just keep it for
Yeah, I
one
know,
guy.
but little bit stupid, pag-ibig.
Hindi kasi, kung in love ka, hindi ka na ibubo kayo kahit, kasi we know
Oh,
we'll need,
alam,
we know that we need money.
yeah,
But, because his support is not enough for you,
yes,
right?
yeah,
But,
I understand.
if you are in love, you, instead looking for a decent job, why you didn't choose to find a better job instead and walking straight?
Kasi siyempre kulang pa rin.
Kaya nga po, kulang nga po, yun nga. Bakit hindi ka na lang magtrabaho ng decent? Kasi sabi mo in love ka. Kung in love ka, hindi ka na makikipag-anuhan dyan sa iba eh. Maghanap ka na lang ng trabaho matino.
Kumbaga, ibig ko sabihin, hindi naman yung nag-waitress, kumbaga, job ko, waitress.
Oh my God.
Kumbaga,
I really, sorry guys. Because I asked her if she freelance, if she go with the customer. She said yeah, kasi her customer, I don't really get, ate, ano natin to? Nagwe-waitress ka sa bar. Tapos nagpe-freelance ka din.
Minsan.
Sometimes. Oo. Extra.
Yung ganun lang.
Pero your boyfriend doesn't know about it. Hindi niya alam.
Oo.
Nagpe-freelance ka. Pero alam niya na nagwo-work ka sa bar. He know that you are working in the bar. But
yung hindi pa kami.
Yeah, ngayon, pinag-usapan natin yung recent life mo. Your recent life, yung ngayon. Yung ngayon. You have a boyfriend, he supports you, right?
Yeah.
Yung totoo, like, when you ask her, do you support you? She said, yeah, like, she's not sure. Yung totoo, oo, hindi.
Ano lang, yung
50-50.
50-50.
But he support you every month.
50-50 rin. Parang yan.
Paano 50-50?
Kumbaga, share lang kami sa lahat ng gastos namin. Parang
Ay, hindi kanya sinusuportahan kung nag-share ka.
Kumbaga, kunti lang. Yung katamtama lang.
He support you a small amount. And he let you work in a bar. But he don't know that you are going with the other guest.
Yes.
If he found out, ano mangyayari? If he find out, you don't know what's gonna happen, diba? And you said you're in love to him. Where do you live? Do you live with him, right? With this guy? What about your children? Where do you live with? They live with you?
Yes.
And with your boyfriend?
Yeah.
Are they studying? That's good. He support the child to go to school.
Yeah.
Can I ask why he paid the rent?
Yeah, my boyfriend.
He paid the rent.
Yes.
Electric.
Yeah.
Food.
Food,
Share.
share.
Sometimes
together.
you buy food if you
Yeah.
get your salary.
Yes.
Yeah, because you have a work, you need to
Yeah.
put in a table if you have some money, right?
Yes.
Because you have also children there. But as for you, it's not enough what he give you. Hindi pa sapat yung binibigay niya sa'yo?
Yeah, maybe.
Yes or no? Oh,
Yes.
maybe, but you're not sure.
Yeah.
Mm. Cause in the bar salary, it's not enough, right? Is he gonna leave her forever? Your boyfriend? Huh?
I don't know.
You don't know? How long he been here since he back at Philippines?
Who, me?
Huh? How many months?
My boyfriend?
Oh, since he get back
So what?
here. Oh,
No, this is here.
he live here.
Yeah. I live in,
He live here at
yes,
Philippines now.
yes.
But before, he was in America or Australia?
America.
America.
Yes.
White guy or black guy?
White.
He's Phil-Ab.
Yeah. Pero,
Mm, okay. And he's still working in a bar. At least he accept you, di ba? And support. Do he treat your child nice?
yes.
Tinatrato niyo namang
Yes,
mabuti.
yes. Very nice guys. Yes.
Mm,
Nice guys.
nice guy.
Good. Yeah.
Mm-mm. If your boyfriend find out that you're going with, is it okay to him that you work in a bar, right? As long you not go with the other customer. As long na hindi ka sasama sa ibang customer. Okay lang sa kanya magtrabaho ka sa bar, di ba?
But we
Sinatago
have
mo lang.
limit. Kumbaga, pinag-uusapan namin.
You guys talk. But
Yeah.
he allow you to work in the bar.
Yeah.
As long you're not going with the other guy. Mm. Yeah, because you have a boyfriend.
Yeah.
And he allow you to go with the working like kind of the job. Especially he's the one providing you. You know, you should not open your legs even we need money. It's just be contented our salary even it's
Yeah.
not enough. But you're fine. You look fine. I'm sure you can get customer, di ba? In the
Yeah.
bar. Mm. Where's the father of your child? Patay na? Nalunod ng lugaw.
No. So,
Pass away?
abroad.
He's working abroad?
Yeah.
Do he support his child?
Yeah, support.
Sinusuportahan niya yung mga anak niya?
Oo, pero ngayon, we have a
Now,
problem.
he have a problem.
Yeah.
Mhm.
My father.
Huh?
My kids.
You have a problem or he have a problem? He have a problem.
Yeah.
That's why he cannot send money to his child.
Yeah.
And he is still working abroad.
Yeah.
Mm. Okay, that's good. I mean, it's not good because he's not sending, but he has a problem. Financial or in the job?
Everything.
Everything?
Yeah.
Mm. How long you been working abroad? Ilang taon po siya nagtatrabaho
I
sa...
not comment for the
Okay, alright.
sorry.
I understand. It's your ex.
Yeah,
You the one. Are you in love to your ex still?
Yeah.
In love ka pa sa ex mo?
Yes.
Hola, Rogo.
Sorry.
It's okay. It's okay to cry. It's okay. It's okay. She's still in love with her ex. But you said you in love with your new boyfriend now. How can you?
Yeah, same.
You in love with your ex and you in love with your boyfriend now.
Same. Sana dalawa ang puso ko eh.
She said she hoped that she has a two heart. No, it's okay. It's love. My God. If you still in love with your ex, diba?
Natanong ako sarili ko kung bakit ako na in love.
You asking yourself why you still in love?
May husband ako, tapos na-in love ako sa boyfriend ko. Sobra.
You have
Masigit
a living partner yung tatay yon. Tapos na in love ka sa Phil-Am.
Oo.
You fall in love to the Phil-Am guy. And you do he know, alam po ba ng, kayo pa ba ng ex mo?
So, 1 month na
Hiwalay kayo. You just break up with your ex 1 month now. But until now, you still in love with him.
Yeah.
And then you fall in love. And while you're in love with your ex, you fall in love with your boyfriend. Because you've been cheating on him for almost 1 year, right? Did he know that you cheat on him? Alam niyang nangaliwa ka?
Hindi.
Yung ex mo?
So, oo, matagal na. So,
Alam
7
niya.
years na kami magkakilala ng boyfriend ko.
Ngayon,
So,
pero
ngayon lang kami
nagka-jowa.
nagka-jowa ng 9 months. 9 months.
She said she been with her boyfriend for almost 7 years and they
Yeah.
become boyfriend girlfriend for 9 months.
Yeah.
And she just broke up with the father of her child 1 month ago. Two-timer ka pala.
Sorry,
Hindi,
I
okay
don't
lang
know.
yan. Be proud kasi in love eh.
Yeah, hindi,
When you were in love,
hindi
you
ko
can think,
sinasadya.
opo, you
Ibig
cannot,
sabihin, di
pag
ba?
in love ka kasi
Accident.
hindi ka makakapag-isip na.
Mm-mm.
Pero, malala
Pero-
naman sa'yo, te, dalawang in love ka sa two
Oo
person.
nga, kasi ay ba, kung bakit sila lumapit sa akin, hindi ko alam. Parang, kumbaga,
Okay lang yan. Maybe you move on with your ex na lang, the father of your child. And if
sana.
that guy is treating you nice and you're in love with him, sana dalawang
Ang
puso ni
puso.
ate.
Sana eh.
Sana all in love. Ay. Oh yeah, when you're in love, you cannot do you can think properly. Especially your guy is have another girl next to him. I wanna punch that bitch like that. Oh, 'di ba? Pag may babae yung ex mo, yung jowa mo, makakapag ano ka talaga,
Siyempre, magalit
your
ka,
mind,
no?
you get
Jealous.
mad, you get upset, right? But you
Minsan,
know,
iyak ako.
mm.
Ganun lang. Kasi, guwapo nga siya.
He's handsome, the foreign guy.
Yes.
That's why you choose him, kaya pinili mo yon.
Hindi naman. Mabait. Mabait siya.
So, why did you choose the new man kaysa sa tatay ng
Kumbaga,
anak mo?
malambing. Parehas lang sila. Promise.
Oo nga. Bakit mo po pinili yung
Yung
boyfriend mo kaysa sa tatay ng anak mo?
Hindi, kasi, kumbaga, yung papa ng
The father of your child?
So, wala siya. Ibig sabihin.
He's not around. Tapos na-pull ka sa PhilAm.
Pero matagal na kami niyan, magkakilala.
Oo nga, pero di ba kasi
nililigawan niya ako na nandiyan pa rin.
Ibig sabihin nun,
naman lahat.
Ibig sabihin nun, hindi ka lang makontento sa asawa mo.
Hindi, kontento naman ako. Ibig sabihin, syempre, hindi natin sinasadya sa buhay natin na may dumating sa ganyan na sitwasyon, di ba? Halimbawa, ikaw.
Oy, not gonna happen to me.
Pero ako naman, kontento na ako sa isang, siyempre.
Yeah, you said you're contented with the one guy. But that guy was courting you. And they are same. They are nice, guwapo, like that.
Kumbaga kami, naglalabuan na kami ng asawa ko.
Parang toxic na yung relationship.
Kaya dumating itong boyfriend ko.
That time nga, you got toxic relationship with your ex.
Ako naman, hindi ko naman hinabol yung, or ano man meron ng boyfriend ko. Ang inano ko yung kabaitan.
Because your ex is nice guy also. So, they are...
Simula nung ewan ko, what happened. Nagbago.
Can I ask you,
Yun lang.
Did you choose her because he's him? Did you choose him because he's foreigner or half Filipino or what? Just be honest. Pinili mo ba siya dahil half foreigner siya?
Hindi naman. Hindi ko naman pinili. Ibig sabihin, parehas lang sila.
They are the same. Okay, they are the same. Nice guy. Who's more handsome, your ex or your your boyfriend?
Parehas lang.
Pantay. Diba same,
Sorry. Yun lang.
Yeah, you're right. Yeah. Yung nag-cheat ka, nasa abroad na yung asawa mo?
Hindi. Kumbaga, ibang ibig sabihin ng abroad yun. So, yung asawa ko, nasa kulungan siya.
Ay, puto.
1 year. Sorry po. Accident. Kumbaga, siyempre kaya naman kasi siya.
Okay.
Accident
okay, guys,
ba?
It's different word abroad.
Mm-mm.
He's not really overseas. He's here at Philippines, but he's abroad.
Yeah.
I hope you guys,
Sorry.
he's in jail abroad. Okay, sorry. Natawa ako doon.
Sorry.
Natawa ako doon sa abroad. Akala ko nagtanong pa ako sa'yo. Hindi kasi some of the other Filipina, they said, they really tell me where their husband they are in jail. They don't tell abroad. Kasi when they tell abroad talaga namang abroad in other country. Kasi I know abroad, it's other country. Kasi it's normal that your partner that it's abroad and you're here at Philippines, it's normal to cheat. But her husband is in abroad, somewhere in the Philippines, somewhere down the road.
Sorry.
Hindi, okay lang. Natawa na ako. Nagtanong pa mo ako. I asked her if your husband support him. His child. Hindi naman talaga makakasuporta yun. Tika, may problema, yawang.
Tama.
Naloka ako nun sa abroad mo.
Sorry.
Hindi, okay lang. Natawa ako nun sa abroad.
Akala ko kasi gets mo. Sorry.
Hindi, kasi I know, I don't get it because I know abroad when you are in somewhere down, out of Philippines. I didn't know abroad here at Philippines pala yun. Okay, sorry. Miss Angel.
Sorry.
That's the reason you guys each other because he's in abroad nga. Abroad.
Yeah.
How long he been into abroad?
So 1 year.
In abroad, he's in abroad for 1 year.
Yeah.
Hindi ako natatawa dun sa kung ano kalagayan niya. Natatawa ako dun sa pag sinasabi ko yung abroad.
Oo. Kasi nga, siyempre, di ba, first time yung mangyari yan. First time.
It's his first time to be in the abroad. Okay.
Minsan, nakakaano naman.
Yeah, it's hard because
umiyak,
you want to cry.
Problema.
And that foreign guy is at least ngayon nagkaintindihan.
Dumating sa akin tong
foreign guy.
Oo, na boyfriend ko.
Your boyfriend.
Kumbaga siya yung nag-ano sa sobrang stress.
He's the one was there for you when you were stressed and accept all your child.
Yeah.
And when your ex is in abroad, you were stressed, of course, because you don't know he's gonna be in abroad forever ba? Habang buhay siya sa abroad.
Si 1 year.
How many years he's gonna be?
1 year lang.
1 year lang.
And 1 month, ganyan.
1 year and 1 month. Ilang taon siya sa sa abroad, doon siya malagi sa sa kulungan.
First time na magwa 1 year pa lang siya.
Almost 1 year. Then after 1 year, makakauwi na siya. Makakalabas na siya.
Kumaga hindi lang sanay ako sa ganyan. Walang tatay mga anak
ko.
Opo.
Yeah, she said she's not used to it that her child doesn't have a father. Yeah, it's hard when your child is asking where is my dad when he going home.
First time kong yung boyfriend ko ngayon. Ilang years na kami ng ex ko. 25 years na kami.
Your ex. Do he know that you have a boyfriend now? Alam niya may jowa ka ngayon?
Oo, alam niya. Sinabi ko na noon.
You told him already that you have a boyfriend.
Bago siya mag-abroad.
Before you go to abroad.
Yeah. Alam niya na. Sinabi ko na. Naintindihan niya naman. At siyempre, mahirap. Maging single mom, mahirap.
Yeah, it's hard being a single mom.
Kasi siyempre lahat ng obligasyon mo, gagawin mo para sa mga kids, di ba?
Yeah, it's hard, but you have a Filipino, guys, the guy that who help you now. That guy, financial or for some financial support and take care of your child. 5 child, diba? 5.
Yes.
And he's there for you when you were stressed.
Nagbibigay yung boyfriend ko ngayon support bilang isang sa stress ko sobra.
He give you some support because you are stressed. Yeah. Dahil sa stress ka, binigyan ka ng support.
Oo, yung
support, yeah, like love, care, advice, and he's there willing to listen to you.
Pag mayroon naman para sa sige go. Minsan naging maramot.
If he have a money, he's not, he really giving you.
Kasi naintindihan ko rin yung sitwasyon niya, buhay rin niya. Mahirap.
And he's the one paying the rent.
Kasi hindi natin sinasadyang pagsubok na to na darating sa ating buhay. Kaya, sabi ko, Lord, kahit hindi ako nagsisimba, so,
mag-pray ka lang. Even you don't go to church, as long you pray. Pray to God. Yeah, we don't know what kind of problem,
kahit paano, hindi ko napabayaan ang mga anak ko. 5 sila.
Till now, you taking care of
Kahit
him, and that guy is taking care of you.
hindi yung akong ma'am na kung sino mga, di ba, mga lalaki o ano.
Unlike other mom. But you
Sa
know,
gusto ko
you're
maayos
beating
ng buhay.
full.
Maayos ng buhay na.
They have a good
Ayoko
la.
din yung mga
I mean,
sinasabi.
your child is, are they close with your boyfriend?
Yeah. Oo. Okay
The
naman,
guys, they have a
communication
good
nila.
communication.
Parang,
Yeah,
kumbaga,
cause they have
magalang
to.
sila. So,
Yeah, they have to be nice to your boyfriend, because your boyfriend is
may
the one.
boyfriend din magalang din sa mga kids ko. Nire-respeto.
And they respect him, your child
Yes,
also. That's good.
Yan ang gusto ko. Sabi ko, kumbaga, ginagalang.
He respect your child, they accept them.
Yeah.
And
Mais
they
na.
live together. You guys live together with your kids.
Yeah.
He
Mais
acts
na
them as their
family.
own.
Mais na
That's good.
family. Ayaw na magulo.
This is American guy, white guy.
Yeah.
Oh, di ba? To all Filipina there. Huwag lang kayo susuko. Makakahanap din kayo ng
Tama.
foreigner. Susuportahan daw kayo. Yeah, to all Filipina out there that, don't lose your hope. You can find a foreigner. Look at Ate, so she got a foreigner guy. I mean, if you are nice to the foreigner, they will nice to you also. Just don't fold them or trick them and rob their money and get their money. Because if you are nice to them, they will give it back to you, di ba? Pag nice ka sa foreigner naman, as long, don't always ask for your material, kasi yung some other bitches, they like asking money to their boyfriend. I wanna buy this. My sugar daddy. I wanna buy Gucci.
No.
Hindi, yung iba.
Yung iba, yung mga ganyan, di ba? Pero ako,
it's your day off tonight? Day off mo ngayon?
Kumbaga, hindi ko day off ngayon, pero nag-ano ko.
Part-time?
Hindi, nag-stop duty.
Stop duty?
Yes.
But di ba, if you stop duty, you have a penalty?
Yeah. But it's okay.
It's okay? How much penalty in the bar? 500?
Hindi naman. Kumbaga,
half of your salary?
Parang ganyan. Salary.
No, your salary is only 120 or 200?
Salary?
In the bar?
Waitress,
120?
Sometimes mga 250, kanya.
250?
Oo. Ang ganyan lang.
Yeah, because
hindi kagaya ng mga dancer.
Yeah, dancer, they get
plus
400 or 500 salary. Because they think as a waitress, as it's hard also being waitress in the bar, ha? It's lot of waitress in a lot, diba? A lot of you in the bar, and it's not too many customers go inside the bar.
Ayan, drinks, diba, commission, mga ganyan, ganun lang.
Pero ang dami nyo doon sa bar, di ba?
Marami mga waitress yan.
Is lot a foreigner guy go inside your bar? Marami ba?
Marami din. Minsan, kapag may mga occasion, di ba?
Occasion?
Doon marami. Occasion, katulad may mga palaro.
Play games?
Yung mga ganyan. Doon lang
Korean bar or foreign bar?
Same, yung foreigner.
Okay. Are you happy with your life now, ate? Masaya ka sa buhay mo?
Medyo okay lang.
It's okay. What's your message to your boyfriend? If ever he watch this, what's your message?
Message ko lang, sana maging katuto ka, sana ituloy mo kung anong plano mo, kung ano iniisip mo.
Para sa inyo? Iniisip niya para saan? Para sa inyo?
I don't know, everything, or sorry kung ganito. Sorry kung selos.
Sa ex mo nagsiselos ka?
Parang
She said that, do you understand Tagalog? I don't have to translate it. He can understand Tagalog pala. He get jealous? You get jealous? Why? Is lot of bitches out there trying to get your boyfriend? Yeah, it's okay. A lot of them.
Siyempre, they don't, diba? Sabi nga nila, pag sinagot mo na isang guys, so, para sa'yo na. Kumbaga, 'di ba?
Yeah, a lot of bitches there doesn't
Mm.
respect the girl even that's their boyfriend. And also,
Yeah.
uh, foreign guy, they don't respect
Pero
the girl that has boyfriend is still wanna hit it. Diba? May mga tao
mm,
talang, there's a lot of foreign or
tama.
Philippine na are not contented in, they still want to ruin your relationship. Even they know you have a boyfriend.
Ako kontento na ako. Ibig sabihin
You're contented na.
parang ganyan.
That's good. Oo, just be
Yung
contented.
boyfriend.
Huwag ka maingay dyan, te. Huwag mo ako tatanungin.
Okay. Sorry.
you're, you're, you're contented now with your
Yeah.
boyfriend. Yeah, that's good. And you don't have to go to other guys,
Yeah.
250 or 500 at
Yeah.
1,200 a day. A week. Diba? Every week. Yeah, that's good. Good luck with your life. And
Thank you.
I hope that you don't go with the other customer. Maybe in the future you can watch this.
Yeah.
Good luck.
Thank
Ate sa
you.
buhay mo.
Thank you. Thank you very
Whatever go
much.
through you, you can survive it. Just be strong for your child. Good
Yeah.
luck,
Yeah.
ate.
Thank you.
Thank you for sharing your history at Tom Yam Lechon. Keep tuning in, guys. I have one more. And we're
Okay.
done. Join patreon.com splash Tom Yam Lechon. Don't forget to like the button and comment down below. Babush.